Every new AI model claims to be the best for coding, but most comparisons focus on benchmark scores instead of how these models perform across an actual development workflow. So in this video, we're testing Grok 4.5, GPT-5.6 Sol, and Gemini 3.6 Flash inside Opera Neon. Opera Neon is now free to download. Without a subscription, you can connect your favorite AI agents through the Opera browser CLI and MCP connector, and take advantage of token compression of up to 66% and use the browser built-in tools. But for this comparison, we're keeping it simple. Each model receives the same 3 independent challenges under identical conditions, with only one attempt and no follow-up prompts or manual assistance. First, build a functional developer tool. Second, debug a broken React and TypeScript component. And third, solve a complex TypeScript logic problem with clearly defined rules and expected outputs. First, each model is asked to build RequestLab, a functional in-browser API request inspector. The app needs editable methods, endpoints, headers, and a JSON body alongside live validation and a dynamically generated curl command. It also needs to simulate success and error responses, store the 5 most recent requests, and restore previous configurations from the request history. All 3 models completed the core functionality, but the difference became visible in validation, interaction feedback, and UI state handling. Grok showed weak interaction feedback, while Gemini was missing reliable validation and copy confirmation. Next, each model receives the same broken React and TypeScript component. The models need to identify all issues, explain their practical impact, and return a corrected version of the complete component. Grok 4.5 and GPT-5.6 Sol identified and fixed the core issues. Gemini 3.6 Flash also produced a functional solution, but it was slightly less robust. Finally, each model needs to implement a deterministic TypeScript scheduler, handling priorities, rate limits, retries, validation, and edge cases. This challenge created the clearest separation between the models. Grok 4.5 delivered the strongest scheduler implementation. GPT-5.6 Sol produced a good solution, but its final delivery was incomplete and less robust around validation and edge cases. Gemini 3.6 Flash completed the core logic, but was also less defensive in its handling of edge cases. Now, let's look at the final results. Grok 4.5 was especially strong in debugging and structured TypeScript logic, but showed slightly less product polish in the build challenge. GPT 5.6 Sol produced a strong app and debugging solution, but its logic task delivery was less complete. And Gemini 3.6 Flash handled the core requirements, but showed weaker validation, interaction feedback, and edge case handling. Across building, debugging, and complex logic, Grok 4.5 was the most consistent model in this comparison. And with the standard plan, all 3 models are available directly inside Opera Neon. Grab the link in the description and see how your favorite model holds up against the same 3 challenges. And if you want Neon's native agents, deeper research, and access to all current 24 top models in our selector, the standard plan unlocks all of that for $90 a month.